Yes.
Flying off the handle again, and this time it's no different. I'm just louder and picking the right words to say. And so you'll give me a moment to say my piece, but it's just unoriginal or ill-conceived. And if you agree, then the disease is spreading. Maybe you wouldn't be talking down if I spent less time on the ground. But I know just what I found. I know exactly what I found. And history is gonna repeat. My mind is private, at least it's free. Did you used to be like me? I'll bet you were just like me. And tomorrow you'll send me another letter. We'll talk it over, but the situation isn't any better. We both got our high horses. We both know all our shit, and I won't be in for a surprise the next time I have to compromise. Maybe I've been wrong. Maybe this big machine really is too strong. But I mean it when I say I know that we can find a better way. And if you meant a goddamn word, then please don't say you're comfortable with how shit's gotten today. Well, maybe I'm stuck in the past. Maybe these ideals aren't built to last. Maybe it's true that we're all trapped. Somebody tell me that we are entrapped. And tell me that it isn't true. The things that we value can't pull us through. Maybe I'll be just like you. In 10 years I'll be just like you.